So welcome to the SuperSCADA video on traceability and lot tracking. So let's start off by clicking on the home menu, and then you can go to manufacturing or to inventory. Go to products here, products, and it defaults to this tile view, and you can display them by the list here by clicking on this here. And don't forget that products includes finished products. I've shown them here as FP, and also raw materials as well. So if I go to a raw material like, say, mineral mix B, then go to the inventory tab, and this is where you select the traceability. So I'll select by lots. You can add an expiration date and so on and so forth. So then save it here by this little icon. Then if we go back to this list for the finished products, say if I check on finish at 12, the same thing again, inventory tab, and I can select this on. But this is now, I already have stock here, so it's warning that I have some stock with no serial number. But if you're happy with that, then just press OK and then save it. So we're already in inventory, so I can go to operations, transfers. These are all the transfers I've had recently, so I'll go to new transfer, contact, well, put what you want in there. The operation type is going to be receipt, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it into a destination, and you can see some of the destinations here. So if you just do a search more, you'll see all of the destinations, and I'm going to put this into a bin here called SP4, and I have to know that it's P's in there. So as I type P's, it comes up and doesn't match P's, and we're going to put in a value of 6 tons, 6,000 kilos. Then click on this mark as to do. And now when you do that, it comes up with this little icon here to let you add some details. So here are the details here. So if you click on this, it defaults to the bin that we've put in there. And the lot number I'm going to put in, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's my lot number. And it's 6 tons. Then confirm, and then what you do is you press the validate button, and that's it. The stock is in. So if I go on to the graphics, this is my bin P's in SP4. So if I click on here, you can see P's, it's traced, and here's my lot number here, 6 tons. Now there's a previous lot number in here which you can see is nearly 22 tons. So after this has been used, then it goes on and uses this lot number. So if we go back to the Voodoo side of things, we go to products and then lots serial number. So these are the products with the lot numbers in. But if you go to P's, you'll see I've added a whole pile of different lot numbers here. This is the one AB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which I've just entered. And if you go to location, you can see first of all it came from a supplier, partners vendors, 6 tons, and it went into this this bin SP4. 6 tons got into that, so it all matches up. If I go back to here, I go to lots and serial numbers. So these are all the lots. So if I take off the product selection, so these are the lots in the system here, and the field chooser over on the right hand side will let you add some more tabs, for instance best before dates, expiry dates, and so on and so forth. So our lot number that we've just created is this one here, peas, and I've shown you before this here. So I'll go back and back again. So then I can go to reporting, and if I go to the moves history, so these are all the moves, and I can select it in order of the lot serial number. So if I click it, it goes in, this is in alphabetical order, and this is the lot that we've just added, and you can see it's gone from the supplier to SP4 6 tons. Now I've added two fields here, is production, is consumption, and this is the field chooser here, so I've added these two fields here to show you that. So is production, these are finished products, and is consumption, these are raw materials. Now our one we've just added is neither yet because it's just gone into the bin. So if I look at its production, these are batches here, and I want to select one of these batches. So these are the components, and you can see the lots of the raw materials which are traceable, the lots that have gone in. So that is basically the description of how the system works. There's lots more to do with lots, and I'm sure you'll find it when you have a look around. Thank you very much for your interest.